everybody, this is Susie and Rafa from Cheeky Seats.
Hello.
Today we're going to show you how to install one of our Maddog extended Gen 4 seat covers. This is our beautiful tobacco diamond, double diamond seat cover. So the front of the seat cover is going to have the pull stop in it, an adjustable pull stop, just so you know where the front is. And so here we go with the install. We start at the back and we stretch that over. This is super easy to install. Then pull that over on the front. On the inside edge, you're going to see a line drawn around the inside edge. That lines up with the edge of your seat all the way around and shows you the optimum placement. Do the back, do the front, adjust the sides. Tighten up the pull stop. And then massage it into position, smoothing out any wrinkles. You can staple the cover on if you like, but there you see that it's greatly positioned now for you to make that decision later. You're ready to ride in under a minute. So we also want to show you quickly the difference between the Gen 4 and the standard seat, which is the shorter seat. There's a lot of confusion. You can see they are completely different sizes. Let's line them up, one in front of the other, one in front of the, there we go. And there you see that they are quite different. So it's important to let us know which seat you have when you order. Alrighty, there you have it. Thank you.